today?
I am.
Tell them you're gonna die! I'm gonna die!
Did you know that one of the scariest haunted houses here on the eastern side of Pennsylvania is also at a really haunted prison? We're gonna give you a little sneak preview here of Halloween nights at Eastern State Penitentiary. And yes, they have a touch pass. We're gonna take you through the Crypt with us. That's their vampire themed haunt. It is not to be messed with. So make sure you stick around to the end. We're also gonna get a sneak preview of the machine shop and the history tour they offer here at Eastern State Penn during the day. You're not gonna wanna miss a single minute of it, but without further ado, let's go in and get some scares.
Are you ready to die today?
I am, yes.
Well, this is the old die shop, but now it's our crypt. Now get in!
Okay, all right. We're going into the crypt. Oh my. I'm gonna go this way. Run! Somebody's excited. Oh, look at that. Why do they have things protruding from their chests? Oh my god. Alrighty then. We're going back outside.
Well, it's getting dark.
Yep. We actually came back outside. Was that a vampire?
I think maybe so.
Oh. Ooh. That guy's been impaled.
He didn't make it.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
oh, angel of death. I'm coming. Oh. I'm going this way. Okay, we're going this way.
Oh, he's got him foot. He's got a foot.
She's hungry.
Oh, God.
Oh, hello. No. Oh, I can't help you. Oh, Lord. What happened? Okay. Oh, this way? Oh, shoot. I should not have given you my hands. Oh, no. Oh.
The blood is a pheromone for more protection for my little
Okay, all right.
That's probably not
Thank
good.
you, I think.
Did she get some blood?
She did, yes.
Totally. What the hell is that? It smells weird.
Is going to entertain you.
Look at
He is
those.
Very much the entertainer, I'd like to say.
Oh my god.
Please bring it up and give a round of applause for Frank.
Uh-oh, it's getting loud in here. Holy crap. Oh my god, there's a black thing in here. It's a black shadow.
Oh no. Oh no. He moved.
I don't like it. Oh no, we're in the cell block. Holy crap. Oh, it's booming. Why is that booming? Oh, jeez. What is that? Why? What is it? What the fudge? What? Oh my god. He must have did something really bad. Wow. No. Oh, what the? That comes right there. Jesus, you stay over there. Oh, this is intimidating as hell.
Oh my.
What is that? Hallway of Doom.
Oh my.
Oh my god! I didn't know that one. I'm going that way right there. Hey, you want to get in the cave? No. Oh, I did. Okay.
Sacrifice!
Oh God.
Come here! What is
No, Nora.
Tell them you're gonna die!
I'm gonna die.
Tell them you're gonna die!
I'm gonna die!
I'll make it out!
Okay.
Get out of my cave!
Okay.
The sacrifice!
When you go into the darkness.
Into the darkness. I hate the darkness.
I told you they'd give you back.
That's not mine.
What?
Oh God, dang it!
Go on, make a little right.
All right. Oh, I didn't go in that way. One of them is in there. Oh my God.
Wow! What do you think?
I think it's true. Oh, wow, that was. Oh my God. Watch the shadows. Oh no.
What is that? What is that?
Yeah. on. Red light.
I don't know how we made it through there.
They're everywhere. This ain't fair. Oh, I don't like it.
Oh!
Movie floor! Movie floor! Hey! Holy. That is cool. This building is freaking all there. Uh-oh, where in the are we going now?
Back into the dark.
Oh, no. Oh, no. This can't be good. It ain't good. I see dead ones. Oh, I don't like that music. What is it?
Oh, God!
Oh, there's one up there. Oh, that one's real. Oh my goodness. I don't like you. Ah! That's why.
That was intense.
Burn some calories.
Yeah.
Gargy? Gargy McGargface?
Yeah.
Obviously like prison haunted houses. Make sure you check out Blood Prison right here. That's going to be their Christmas show. You are not going to want to miss it either. I will see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.